There are two factors affecting the decision of court in this case in relation to the civil procedure of default judgment. First is the setting aside judgment in default of appearance, and second is the time limit for appearance. The first factor, a judgment in default of appearance known as penghakiman ingkar kehadiran. If a writ of summon or an originating summon has been properly served on the defendant, but the defendant has failed to physically attend or file a notice of his appearance in court within a certain time frame, the court may enter a judgment against him, and a party intending to set aside must make his application to the court. What if the default judgment obtained irregularly? The defendant will be entitled to ex debito justitiae, or known as right to have set aside. Default judgment is irregular when it was obtained not in compliance with rules of court. So what if the judgment obtained in responsible way? The defendant must file an affidavit of merits in order to succeed. In order for the defendant to succeed in his application to set aside a judgment in default, the applicant must show that he has a defense which has some merit and which the court should try. The second factor is time limit for appearance. Order 12 Rule 4B of the Rules of Court 2012 also provides the time limit for appearing under Rule 4B, where in the case of a writ served within Sabah and Sarawak, to 14 days after service of the writ. The phrase "after service" used in Order 12 Rule 4B of the Rules of Court 2012 does not really and exactly specify a date for reckoning the time period of 14 days. In other words, in reckoning the time for appearance by a defendant to the writ, the day of service has to be included in the 14 days period.
Created using Powtoon.